Imagine unlocking your phone and someone else is already inside, reading your messages, tracking your location in real time, listening through your microphone without a single notification. It sounds like something out of a spy movie, but the truth is far more disturbing. Hackers can spy on you through your phone more easily than you think. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how they do it, the methods they use, and the signs your device has already been compromised. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It helps a lot and keeps videos like this coming. Let's start with the most terrifying part. You don't need to click anything for a hacker to get inside your phone. Some attacks use zero-click exploits, meaning your device can be infected automatically through a simple message, a missed call, or even a vulnerability in an app you haven't opened in weeks. Tools like Pegasus spyware operate silently, turning your phone into a surveillance device without you ever realizing it. A hacker doesn't need physical access, permission, or even interaction. Just one weakness in your system, and you're exposed. Another common method is malicious apps. Hackers create apps that look harmless, a flashlight, a photo filter, a game, but inside they hide code capable of collecting your contacts, recording your audio, or uploading your files to a remote server. Many of these apps disguise themselves with fake reviews and stolen logos. The moment you install them, the attacker gains access to everything your phone can see: your microphone, your camera, your GPS, your clipboard, and sometimes even your passwords. But spying doesn't stop there. Wi-Fi attacks are one of the oldest tricks in the book. When you connect to a public network, a cafe, airport, hotel, you might not be connecting to the real hotspot. Hackers can create fake networks with almost identical names, tricking your phone into automatically connecting. Once you're inside their trap Wi-Fi, everything you do can be intercepted. Logins, messages, browsing habits, even bank information. And the scariest part, your phone doesn't warn you, it trusts the network. And the hacker takes advantage of that trust. Then there's stalkerware, a type of spyware often installed by someone you actually know. A partner, an ex, a co-worker, anyone with brief access to your phone. It hides deep inside the system, impossible to detect with normal eyes. It tracks your texts, your calls, your movement, your social media, everything. To the victim, the phone still looks normal, but to the attacker, it becomes a live surveillance feed. So, how do you know if your phone is being spied on? There are a few key signs. Your battery drains faster than usual, even when you're not using the device. Your phone heats up randomly. The screen lights up without notifications. Apps you don't remember installing suddenly appear. Your data usage spikes for no reason. Or your microphone indicator flashes unexpectedly. None of these confirm an attack by themselves, but together they're big red flags. Protecting yourself isn't impossible. Start by keeping your system updated. Most hacks rely on old vulnerabilities. Avoid public Wi-Fi unless you use a VPN. Never install apps from outside the official store. Review your permissions often, especially for apps that want access to your camera or microphone. And if something feels wrong, if your phone behaves strangely, take it seriously. Sometimes paranoia is just awareness. Hackers don't see your phone as a device. They see it as a gateway into your life. Your memories, your conversations, your identity. And the more connected we become, the easier it is for someone else to slip inside unnoticed. If you learned something valuable today, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And leave a comment below telling me, what's the scariest thing your phone has ever done without you touching it? I'm curious to know. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.